In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dark mode to your Bubble.io app. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open your browser and head over to Bubble.io. Once there, locate the Login button at the top right corner of the page and click on it. If you prefer, you can simplify the process by clicking Continue with Google. Choose the Google account associated with your Bubble.io projects from the list that appears. Now you're logged in. Let's move on to creating our new project. Look for the option that says Create New Project and click on it. When prompted, type in a project name like Dark Mode for this sample to keep things straightforward. You'll see an option to start for free to begin building your app. Click on that and then select Create a Blank App from the options provided. The next step is to click Get Started to initiate the setup. Go ahead and click on Start with Basic Features to streamline the initial setup of the app environment. With your basic setup ready, head to the Plugins tab where we'll add some functionality to your app. Click on Add Plugins and search for Ionic Elements. Once you locate it, click on Install. After it's installed, close the Plugins section. With the plugin installed, go to the Design tab. Here you'll want to insert the Ionic toggle. Make sure to set the preset status of this toggle to Unchecked. The next step involves configuring your app's data to handle the dark mode settings. Go to the Data tab and click on Create a New Field. Name this field something identifiable, like dark mode, and set the field type to Yes, No. After that, hit Create and set the default value to No. Now return to the Design section. You'll need to right-click the toggle and select Start Edit Workflow to modify the app's behavior based on user interactions with the toggle. Set up a workflow where if a user has the dark mode enabled, certain actions will trigger in the app. Copy the workflow by right-clicking and choosing Copy, then right-click below it and choose Paste to duplicate the logic for reversing the toggle action. Back in the Design page, click on the Background page and select the Conditional tab. Here, define a condition where, if the current user's dark mode is enabled, you adjust the appearance of the app. Specifically, change the background color to black and set the font color to white for better contrast. Finally, toggle over to the Preview mode to test your dark mode setup. Make sure everything switches as intended, maintaining readability and visual harmony. That's it! You've successfully added a dark mode to your Bubble.io app. Feel free to experiment with additional elements and styles to truly make the dark mode feature your own. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your Bubble.io project.